Use of remote modules. First install the remote module on the machine. Open the rear electric cabinet door before installation, and the door of the stick module opens. Find this connector after opening the door. Connect it to this position of the PLC. Then need to be in the spare line above. Find a spare pair of 24V wires. Usually this pair of wires is inside this wire slot. You can find them. Be sure to note that it is a 24V. Then connect the 24V spare wire to the remote module terminal. Big head to small head to big head. Power on the machine after installation. After the power is turned on, wait for the two lights of power and link to light up, then follow the instructions of the engineer. Turn on the hotspot with phone. Wait until 3 lights come on. After turning on the hotspot, you can tell the engineer to update the program or modify the parameters. After using the remote module needs to be removed because the remote module is a tool. Removing it requires disconnecting the power first. Put the pair of power cables back in place. Then unplug the plug. It was removed successfully.